The Podar Group is one of India's oldest business houses. The group has been in Mumbai for over a century with a sterling reputation and is a diversified group covering textiles, tyre manufacturing, education and real estate development. Badlapur is located on the central line of the local Mumbai suburban train line and is very well connected to all parts of Mumbai. 75 minutes from CST, less than 1 hour from Dadar, 30 minutes from Thane with a high train frequency. Podar Housing, a renowned and respected name in realty development, presents a premium township. Samruddhi Evergreens. Samruddhi Evergreens is a township of 194 buildings sprawled over 24 acres. It is located in Badlapur East on the Kalyan Karjat State Highway, about 2 kilometers from the Badlapur train station. The majestic gates await to welcome you to your secure new gated community home with 24/7 facility and security management. Podar Housing will provide a frequent bus service to the train station and back. In addition, there is ample availability of local auto rickshaws and buses. A large recreation area keeps you and your family entertained and healthy. You could play cricket, football, basketball or volleyball, an exclusive skating rink, multiple children's play areas with modern and safe equipment. All buildings are ergonomically built with a ground plus 3 floors design. There are 4 spacious apartments on each floor, carefully crafted with natural light and cross ventilation for every room. The open terrace is a fun place for children to frolic and for your family to enjoy the scenic views. There is a large living dining room with ample light and natural ventilation, 2x2 vitrified floor tiles, a cozy comfortable bedroom to nurture those dreams, acrylic distemper paint interior walls, a modern, neat and tidy kitchen, green marble kitchen platform with stainless steel sink, separate enclosures for bathroom and toilet, and waterproof door at WC and bath. You can also choose to live in a 2 BHK apartment. The layout is well planned to give you a richer living experience. The courtyard is beautifully landscaped with lush green lawns and paved walkways. For your choice, there are separate buildings for 1-room kitchen and 3 BHK apartments as well. The integrated retail shops provide you with all the necessities, utilities and luxuries required to live comfortably and securely. Powder-coated aluminium sliding windows with marble sill, wooden door frame and flush door at main entrance, bedroom. The amenities building is a 15,000 square feet air-conditioned space for you to enjoy life at Samruddhi Evergreens. This multi-purpose hall gives you the perfect space to throw a party or to have a family function, puja or a wedding. Additionally, there is a modern clubhouse that houses a state-of-the-art gym, large swimming pool and indoor games like table tennis, carom and chess. The vast central garden area adjoins the clubhouse and pool. It has a Nana Nani garden, walking tracks and ample relaxation area. You could play cricket, football, basketball, badminton or volleyball. An exclusive skating rink. Multiple children's play areas with modern and safe equipment and a jogging track. Here is the construction methodology and facing, showing the ultra-advanced aluminium shuttering technology at work, resulting in fast delivery of homes, high-quality construction and finishing. Long product life and lower maintenance costs. Superior master planning enables us to provide a spacious township with ample parking for 2- and 4-wheelers, ample drinking water supply, a separate electrical connection and MSEB transformers. A well-planned project with Vastu and energy-enhanced design. The project is approved and home loans are available for all from leading banks and institutions. At Samruddhi Evergreens, you can enjoy the vivid and varied experience of this beautiful journey called life. Welcome to Samruddhi Evergreens. Welcome home.